Hey, I'm Tibbetts.
And I'm Sheer.
And today we're talking about Notion and Claude, because a lot of the fastest moving teams today are actually using both.
We all know that Anthropic's latest models have really raised the ceiling for what an individual builder can do in a day. But teams want to see the same impact across their organization on collaborative work.
And we're not saying don't use Claude. We use it too. But if you want to make it easy for anyone in your organization to build agents and for their work to be collaborative and shareable, that's where Notion comes in. First, let's talk about how teams use Notion custom agents for important collaborative work. Now, to give you some examples, custom agents can answer questions autonomously, like responding to posts in Slack using the team's knowledge, and even continually update the team wiki so that everybody benefits. They can also share project updates that keep everybody on the same page, like generating a report from the latest sprint and publishing them where teams can comment and collaborate in real time. It's not something that gets stuck in one person's chat window. And they can triage feedback and tasks, like when a new bug report comes in, an agent can classify, assign an owner, and kick off the next step, right where your teams are already tracking their work. Now, each agent has a customized set of triggers, instructions, and tools. This means that work stays permissioned, meaning that the right people see the right things, and connected, meaning that the work always stays linked to the right project, decision, or tasks that are going to move it forward. You choose your preferred model, whether it's the latest frontier models from Anthropic or others, or you can even choose a more cost-efficient open-weight model for more repetitive tasks. So, to summarize, custom agents are shared across your team, they're easy for anyone to build, and they're model agnostic, meaning that you can easily switch between any model provider.
Now, of course, technical teams will still work directly with Claude Code or some other coding agents. In these cases, you can still access Notion via MCP to bring in relevant context and keep outcomes visible to the greater team in Notion. Let's imagine what this looks like with the example of product feedback in a customer call. First, a custom agent turns the feedback into a new ticket with the relevant context. Next, an engineer picks up the ticket and creates a new PR with a coding agent. Once it's fixed, it'll change its status via the MCP. Lastly, we want to show you what's next for agent workflows. As you work with more agents on your team, whether it's coding, support, or otherwise, managing them across various tabs or apps is only going to get messier. Teams need a tool for agent orchestration, and that's exactly what Notion is becoming. You'll be able to talk to your agents directly from Notion, whether it's Claude Code, Codex, or any in-house agent that you've built. This means the work stays visible in Notion, all of the context stays connected, and your team can choose the best model or agent for the job.
To recap, Claude helps individuals do extraordinary work across many domains, and Notion helps teams make that work shareable and scalable. And that's why many of the world's fastest moving teams use both.